Hello friends, how are you all? In this video we are going to talk about English language. Friend, you will learn in this video why is English important, and second is how you can improve your communication skills, this skill, English language skills. So first we talk about why is English important. Friend, English has become necessary language nowadays because you cannot impact on other people if you don't know English. If you know English, then you can impact the world, and it has become a medium to communicate one person to another person. By the way, I would like to tell you that how did I learn English? Friend, over the years ago, when I had started my English journey, then in the initial time, I got many difficulties, many challenges while speaking English. But gradually, continuously, I started my English journey and I got rid of fear of English speaking. It was significant. I know that. Why is English important? But why is English important? English is important because you cannot get good job. You cannot communicate with other people who know English in abroad, and not only in your state, in other state too. So English has become a medium first of all. And if we talk about our little children, he is not given admission in the school if he don't know English, how to speak. And second, he gets many difficulties while speaking English, while reading English. So English is most significant. Friend, when he grow up, then he get job related problem. You cannot face job interviews, and if you know very well English, then you can face not only job interview, but also you can communicate with other people very well, and you can get high paid job. So this is the benefit of English language. So you must speak English, read English. It has become a compulsory language. Friend, if we talk about English language, that how you can improve this. Friend, I used to work when I was starting this English speaking on 4 skills: speaking, reading, writing, and listening. These are the 4 skills you need to practice on daily basis to English again and again and again. Not give up and continuously effort you need to do. Then you will be able to speak English very well. And apart from this, English has been compulsory in our society. Because if you know English, then you are considered well-educated person in the society, and you are also respected. You get a good job, and you get high paid salary. Everyone will respect due to have good English, and you can communicate with them easily. So just recently one of my friend had asked me one question, that there is something more important than English speaking. I said yes. This is body language is most significant than English language or any other language. Body language, because suppose you go abroad in China or any other country in United States. So if you don't know English there, so how will you communicate there? At least you can tell your thing by your body language. If you want water, then how will you communicate? you can tell them by your body language. So this is the benefit of body language. So I would say you that you are speaking English and you are learning English. Along with this, please improve your body language. Try to speak. That is why I am giving you 21 days challenge, that in these 21 days you don't have to speak your own language. You have to speak only in English. You have to communicate only in English. You don't have to speak in Hindi or Tamil, whatever your language is. If you practice reading, speaking, writing and listening, these 4 skills daily, and at least 1 month, 2 months or 3 months, at least 3 months, then you will get more benefit by this effort. So I hope you will do that. You will do that effort. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll be with you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.